Revo Uninstaller versus Geek Uninstaller. Which uninstaller is better? Choosing the right uninstaller can completely change how you manage software removal without leaving behind clutter or wasting time. Both offer unique features for cleaning up your PC efficiently. Revo Uninstaller and Geek Uninstaller are both powerful tools designed to remove unwanted programs, but the core difference lies in their approach. Revo offers advanced scanning and cleanup, while Geek focuses on simplicity and speed for quick uninstalls. Revo Uninstaller is a comprehensive software removal tool that goes beyond the standard uninstall by deeply scanning for leftover files, folders, and registry entries. It works by first running the built-in uninstaller, then scanning your system for any remnants that typical uninstallers might miss. Its strengths include multiple uninstall modes, forced uninstall for stubborn programs, and additional tools like Junk File Cleaner and Startup Manager. However, Revo's advanced features come with a steeper learning curve and may feel overwhelming for casual users. It is ideal for users who want thorough cleaning and are comfortable navigating detailed options to maintain a clean PC environment. The Pro version unlocks even more powerful features, making it a great choice for tech-savvy users or professionals who want complete control over software removal. Geek Uninstaller is a lightweight and straightforward uninstaller designed for fast and efficient removal of unwanted software. It runs without installation, making it portable and convenient for quick use. Geek uninstalls programs using their native uninstallers and then performs a quick scan to remove leftover files and registry entries. Its main strengths are its simplicity, speed, and clean user interface, which appeals to users who want a no-fuss solution. However, it lacks some of the advanced cleanup tools and features found in Revo Uninstaller, such as forced uninstall or additional system utilities. Geek Uninstaller is ideal for users who prefer a minimalistic tool that gets the job done quickly without extra features or complexity. It works well for everyday PC users who want to uninstall software cleanly without diving into detailed settings. Comparing Revo Uninstaller and Geek Uninstaller reveals clear trade-offs. Revo excels in thoroughness, offering deep scans and extra tools that help keep your system clean beyond just uninstalling software. This makes it perfect for power users or those dealing with stubborn programs. Geek Uninstall, on the other hand, prioritizes speed and simplicity with a portable design that requires no installation. It's ideal for quick removals and users who want straightforward functionality without additional features. In real-world use, Revo is better suited for maintaining a clean system over time, while Geek is great for fast, occasional uninstallations. Choosing between them depends on whether you value comprehensive cleanup or ease of use and portability. Choose Revo Uninstaller if you need a powerful all-in-one tool for deep cleaning and managing stubborn software with advanced features and thorough system scans. Geek Uninstaller is recommended for users seeking a lightweight, fast, and portable uninstaller that removes programs cleanly without extra complexity. Both tools serve different needs, so pick the one that matches your workflow to keep your PC clutter-free and running smoothly.